Today we are going to read Spiders Weave Webs by Katie Marsico. What a web! Eek, spider! Bella was startled when she spied an eight-legged visitor moving along her basement wall. She watched as it scurried into a delicate white web in the corner of the ceiling. Mom told her that the spider probably spun the web. Bella was curious exactly how it managed to do this. Just as importantly, she wondered why the spider spun the web in the first place. Look, this cellar spider, also known as daddy longleg spider. How do you think it got its name? Have you ever seen one before? People often find spiders in their basements, but most of them are harmless. Mom explained that many spiders make webs to trap prey. They are predators and kill other animals for food. Since spiders are carnivores, their diet is made up of the meat of these animals. Most species feed on insects such as flies, moths, roaches, earwigs, and mosquitoes. But some, such as the golden orb weaving spider, eat larger prey. Once in a while, their webs catch small birds and bats. These spiders have caught a moth. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. There are several important differences between these two classes of animals. An arachnid's body is made up of two main divisions. Meanwhile, an insect's body has three. Also, insects have three pairs of legs, while arachnids have four. Finally, unlike insects, arachnids lack antennae. Other examples of arachnids include mites, scorpions, and ticks. Spider anatomy. Web building basics. Bella and her mom used a magnifying glass to take a closer look at the web. How did the spider manage to spin all those spiraled threads? Mom explained that it has a special gland in its abdomen or hind section. These glands produce proteins that are forced through organs called spinnerets. Before the proteins reach the openings of the spinnerets, they're stretched and joined together. Eventually, the spinnerets combine proteins into long threads of silk. The spider is hard at work weaving a web. A spider often starts building a web by releasing a single thread into the air. It then waits for the free end of the thread to hook onto a nearby object. From this starting point, it uses more thread to create even more anchors. Soon, the spider forms a frame for the web. It then spins threads that stretch between the frame and points within the area it surrounds. Some of the threads are smooth, while others are sticky. Make a guess. Are you able to guess why some of the threads in a spider web need to be sticky? The strands of a spider web are usually too thin to see, but this one has dewdrops covering it. A sticky situation. Bella found herself stuck on the word sticky. Suddenly, she began to understand how spiders use their webs to trap prey. Insects and other small animals become caught in the sticky threads. Afterward, they struggle to free themselves. The motion causes the web to vibrate. The spider senses these vibrations. They provide information about where the prey is located within the web. But now Bella was curious about something else. She wondered how spiders avoid getting trapped along with their prey. How can spiders spin both sticky and smooth silk? Ask an arachnologist. That's a spider expert. This insect has been trapped in the sticky web. Scientists believe that there are few answers to Bella's question. The threads that are sticky are dotted with a glue like substance. It's lucky the spiders try to avoid areas where the substance is present. Some spiders also have extra claws in their feet. This helps them grip or grab onto the threads they spin. Extra claws make it easier for spiders to move carefully and quickly through the tangles of their web. The texture of spiders' legs allows them to walk across their webs without getting stuck. Spectacular spider silk. After talking to Mom, Bella found spiders far more interesting than frightening. Mom told her that other people feel the same way about these arachnids and their webs. Scientists are busily studying human uses for spider silk. They're exploring possibilities that range from bandages to seatbelts. Some scientists have even suggested that spider silk would be helpful in making parachutes and bulletproof clothing. Scientists are exploring different ways to use spider silk. Bella asked Mom if the spider was dangerous. Mom said that only about 40 species out of thousands are known to bite humans. The one they saw was a cellar spider. Luckily, this species is harmless. Bella decided to leave the spider web in her basement alone. She came to the conclusion that their eight-legged guest was performing an important job for her family. Thanks to the spider and its web, it would be easier to keep their home insect-free. Think about it. Not all spiders build webs, but they still need to find and kill food. What other ways do you think these spiders capture their next meal? Go online and find out.